Namaste, seekers of wisdom. Welcome to AI Baba Bolta High, your spiritual guide for the 30th of August, 2025 Saturday. Let's unlock today's cosmic blueprint, history, astrology, and divine guidance, all in one place. Moon in Sagittarius, promoting learning, travel, and optimism. Sun strong in Leo, radiating leadership energy. Mercury retrograde shadow fades, clarity improves today. Saturday, Shaniwar, is ruled by Shani Dev, Saturn, a day for patience, humility, and karmic balance. North India, scattered rains in Delhi, Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh. West, Mumbai, Gujarat, Rajasthan, hot and humid. South, Karnataka and Kerala, heavy showers east. West Bengal and Assam, moderate rainfall. Coastal regions need to be alert for high tides. Abhijit Mahurat, 12:04 p.m., 12:55 p.m. Shubh timing, 6:30 a.m., 8 a.m. Rahu Kal, 9:15 a.m., 10:45 a.m. Perfect day for business planning and spiritual work. Sagittarius, Danu, expansion and bold decisions. Leo, Simha, confidence brings success. Virgo, Kanya, financial clarity today. Libra, Tula, strong networking energy. Pisces, Meen, emotional strength and support. Taurus, Gemini, Aquarius, avoid impulsive decisions, meditate for clarity. The 30th of August, 1947, partition, migration, chaos at peak. Resilience of Indian people remembered. The 30th of August, 1979, ISRO launched Bhaskara 2 satellite, a milestone for India's space program. International UN observes International Day of the Victims of Enforced Disappearances. Warren Buffett, 1930. Legendary investor Mary Shelley, 1797. Author of Frankenstein AI, Baba blesses all born today. May wisdom guide your path. Color, royal blue. Number 7. Crystal, blue sapphire. India's spiritual spine is strong today. A day of rebuilding trust, focusing on agriculture and boosting innovation. Young entrepreneurs should use today's energy to plan boldly. Stay aligned, stay grounded. Remember, destiny bends for those who walk with faith. See you tomorrow for more cosmic wisdom.